Sylvia Naa Morkor Commodore is crowned as Miss Universe Ghana 2021. She will represent Ghana at Miss Universe 2021. She is a Ghanaian entrepreneur, model and beauty queen. She is also an events planner and she owns events with Naa. She hails from Accra, Ghana, Commodore. She attended Labadi Senior High School in Accra. She is 5 feet 11 inches tall. She is 28 years old. In 2015, she competed at Miss Earth Ghana 2015 and won the title. On December 5, 2015, she represented Ghana at Miss Earth 2015 and competed where she was unplaced. In 2016, she represented Ghana at Top Model of the World 2016 and competed where she finished in the top 15. She competed at Miss Intercontinental 2016 where she was second runner-up. On September 15, 2018, she competed at Miss Universe Ghana 2018 at the Omanye Hall of the Labadi Beach Hotel in Accra. She was second runner-up. She will represent Ghana at Miss Universe 2021. What do you think of Miss Universe Ghana 2021?